What if I told you that you can make $461 per day just by using a simple copy-paste method? Yep, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use AI and a simple copy-paste method to generate affiliate income, just like this, no tricks, no fluffs, no complicated setups. I promise that by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started, and it's way easier than you think. And the best part? This method can make you money while you sleep. It's the same exact system that turned over $1.2 million for a single website, GiftlLab, in just 1 year. We'll break down how they did it, and how you can do the same thing using AI to speed up the process, so no need to waste hours researching or writing. If you're ready to dive into a step-by-step blueprint on how to earn $461 per day with just copy-pasting from AI, keep watching because we're about to unlock a money-making machine you won't want to miss. Let's jump in. Now, I want to be upfront with you. This might not be the fastest way to hit your first $1,000 or $5,000 online. There are quicker ways to make a small amount of cash, like flipping products, freelancing, or other short-term gigs. But here's the deal, this is hands down one of the fastest ways to hit $100,000. And honestly, the potential is limitless once you get the hang of it. What I'm about to show you isn't about making a quick buck. This method is about building something sustainable, something that can scale. Once you've set up your system using AI and affiliate marketing, there's no limit to how much you can earn. We're talking $50,000, $100,000, or even more. You could turn this into a full-time income stream, and the best part is, you can set it up once and let it run while you sleep. Think of it like planting seeds. It may take a little bit of effort to get started, but once those seeds are planted and you let AI do the heavy lifting, the results can grow beyond anything you've imagined. So, yes, it may not give you instant rewards, but for those willing to stick with it, this is one of the fastest ways to hit those bigger numbers like $50,000 or $100,000. And here's the beauty of it, once you've set the foundation using AI, you're not limited to just one site. You can create multiple websites in different niches, targeting different audiences, and each one can become its own passive income stream. While it might not be an overnight success story, the potential for growth is massive. If you're serious about building a real, long-term income stream, this method can be a total game changer. Alright, let's dive into how you can get started today, step by step. Now let's have a look into the GiftlLab website that's made over $1.2 million in 2023, just by sharing gift ideas for different occasions and using affiliate marketing to rake in profits. As you can see, this site is super clean and easy to navigate. You've got posts like 37 gifts for grandpa that will make him smile and 34 inspirational gift ideas that can motivate anyone. These are attention-grabbing titles that make people want to click and read more. Let's go ahead and click on one of these posts, 37 gifts for grandpa. Now, take a look at how they lay this out. You've got a catchy introduction, and then it jumps right into the list of products. And here's the secret sauce, every single product link on this page is an Amazon affiliate link. So, for example, this cool grandpa mug here, when you click on it, it takes you directly to Amazon. If a visitor buys this or anything else on Amazon within 24 hours, GiftlLab makes a commission. And the best part? They didn't create these products, they're just listing them, reviewing them, and earning through affiliate marketing. And boom! You can see how easy it is to redirect visitors to Amazon. It's all done through Amazon's affiliate program, which anyone can sign up for. The site is full of posts like this, simple gift lists that people love, and they embed Amazon affiliate links to generate passive income. It's all about finding the right products that match the audience's needs, which in this case, is unique and thoughtful gifts. And what's even better? We're going to use AI to replicate this type of content, making it super easy and fast to get your own affiliate site up and running without having to manually write all these posts. So now that you've seen the magic behind how GiftlLab earns with affiliate links, let's jump into how you can create posts like these, without spending hours writing or researching. We're going to let AI do the heavy lifting, so let's move on to the next step. Now that you've seen how GiftlLab operates and the types of posts they create, it's time to choose your own niche. And since gift ideas is a highly profitable niche, we will stay around gifts. But the catch here is that GiftlLab focuses on gifts for different occasions, which is a broad niche. You don't want to make your website too general, you want to find a specific niche that balances popularity with lower competition. And that's both profitable and something you're interested in or familiar with. In simple words, we need to niche it further down to something of your interest. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Niche around specific people. Similar to Giftlab's Gifts for Grandpa, you can focus on specific relationships like gifts for mom, gifts for best friends, or even gifts for coworkers. Niche around hobbies. Maybe it's gifts for gardening enthusiasts or gifts for fitness lovers. Niche around events. Think gifts for birthdays, holiday gifts, or even last-minute gift ideas. Once you pick your niche, ensure there are plenty of products available on Amazon to promote, which in most cases you'll easily find. After that, you're ready to move on to setting up your website where you'll post your affiliate content. Setting up hosting and domain. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to get your website up and running. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through step by step. Choose a hosting provider. Head over to any reputable hosting website like Bluehost, SiteGround, or hostgator. All of these providers offer affordable shared hosting plans, and most importantly, they all include WordPress installation. So you won't have to worry about the technical side of things. You can also compare prices and features to pick the best fit for you. Choose a domain name. Your domain should be simple, memorable, and directly related to your niche. For example, if you're focusing on gifts for pets, a name like Pet Gift Ideas would work. You can use tools like Lean Domain Search or Namely to help brainstorm ideas. If you're stuck, you can even ask ChatGPT to suggest unique names. Get a free domain. Most hosting providers, including Bluehost, SiteGround, and hostgator, offer a free domain for the first year when you sign up for a hosting plan. So once you've chosen your domain, check its availability and add it to your hosting package. Install WordPress. After securing your hosting and domain, it's time to install WordPress. Don't worry, this is super simple. Most hosting providers will walk you through the process with just a few clicks. After installing, log into your WordPress dashboard directly from your hosting panel. Customizing WordPress. Once you've logged into your WordPress dashboard, it's time to give your site a basic setup. Pick a theme, hover over Appearance in the left-hand menu and click Themes. Then click Add New, and go to the feature filter. Just check the blog option to get clean, modern designs. Choose one that looks professional but is also simple to navigate, like the layout of the Giftlab's site. Let me choose this one. Customize your theme. After installing and activating your theme, click on Customize to set up some basic details like your website's name and tagline. Don't spend too much time on design. This video is about making money, not building a perfect-looking website. You can always come back later to refine it once you've started seeing traffic. Installing essential plugins. Now that your theme is set up, let's install the 3 essential plugins that will help you run your affiliate site efficiently. Just hover over Plugins in the WordPress dashboard, click Add New, and search for these plugins to install them. Yoast SEO. This plugin helps optimize your content for search engines, which is essential to get organic traffic. Pretty Links. This plugin helps you manage your affiliate links, making them clean and easy to track. WP Optimize. This plugin keeps your site fast and running smoothly, ensuring your visitors have a seamless experience. Once the one-time setup is done, the next part of the video will focus on creating blog posts with AI to help you quickly generate content and start earning with affiliate marketing. Let's move on. Now that your website is set up, the next crucial step is generating high-quality content that ranks on Google, even if it's AI-generated. You might be wondering, how can AI-generated content rank on Google? Doesn't Google penalize AI-written articles? The truth is, it all depends on how well you craft your prompts for AI. If you simply ask, "Write me a blog post on topic," the output won't rank well at all. But with the right prompting, you can create content that ranks high on Google's search results. That's why I'll show you a foolproof way to prompt ChatGPT so that your articles are not only high quality but also SEO optimized and capable of ranking on Google. To prove that AI content can rank, let me show you some quick results. I started a blog just last month, posted only 3 articles, and they're already ranking for specific keywords, some of which are in the top 5 Google search results. So, if you follow this method, it can definitely work for you too. Before we create content, we need ideas that target high-traffic keywords. Here's how you can prompt ChatGPT for ideas specific to your niche. Give me 5 blog post ideas, highly searched keywords, for my blog on gifting ideas for pets. And here are some topic ideas Chat gave us. Now, here's how to turn one of these blog post ideas into an article that bypasses Google's AI detection systems and ranks well on search results. We'll use this prompt to guide ChatGPT's content creation. Please write an SEO-optimized article on the first topic for ranking on Google page number 1 for the associated keywords. Start with an intro, then provide a list of gift products along with descriptions for each. To ensure your content stays fresh and original, I also recommend banning overused or generic words that Chat always writes. So after this prompt, just add this. Ban words and phrases: unleash, captivate, cutting edge, game changer, move the needle, disrupt, embrace, elevate, striving. By eliminating these cliché phrases, your content will feel more natural, which can help it rank higher on Google. Here's the output from ChatGPT, a fully SEO-optimized blog post on the first topic. You can tweak it, add personal touches, and ensure it reflects your brand's tone. Just copy the article, now head over to WordPress dashboard, hover onto Posts, and click Add New. Paste your blog post here. Do some SEO stuff with Yoast SEO. And save it as draft. Once your article is ready, it's time to embed your affiliate links and publish it on your website. I'll walk you through this process just now. Keep watching. This is where the real magic happens because, without these affiliate links, you won't make any money. So, let's jump right into it. First, you need to find the right products to link to. Let's use Amazon as our main affiliate platform. Start by logging into your Amazon Associates account. If you don't have one yet, simply sign up. It's free and pretty straightforward. Once logged in, just use the regular Amazon website to find products related to your blog post, and on product page you'll notice there is a sticky bar at the top. That's the Amazon affiliate link bar. You'll find your affiliate link there. Now, grab the affiliate links for each of these products one by one and go back to your WordPress article, and after each product description end, just hit enter to make a new block and press / and search for button. It'll add a nice button. Just label the button as Buy from Amazon, and on the right side paste your affiliate link to the product. Now, repeat this process for every product you mention in your article. Alternatively, you can use Pretty Link plugin we installed. Just enter your Amazon affiliate link here, and any keywords related to that product. Then copy the link and paste it in blog post. This will make the links look clean. At last we create thumbnail images for the blog posts just like GiftlAb is doing. For this we'll use Leonardo.ai. On left panel set preset to graphic design and preset style to graphic design minimal. I'm giving you this prompt to just copy-paste and adjust it according to the topic of your blog post to make images in seconds. Just download it, head back to WordPress and click here to upload the images. Once all your affiliate links are embedded and looking sharp, it's time to publish the article. Double check for any typos or formatting issues. Make sure all links are working properly. Click publish and your article is now live. And that's it. Your blog post is now out there in the world, ready to generate affiliate income. Great! Now that you've successfully published your first article and embedded affiliate links, the next logical step is to scale your content and automate parts of the process so you can make consistent passive income with less effort. Let's dive into how you can achieve that. To scale efficiently, you need to be consistent with publishing. A content calendar will help you plan ahead and ensure that you're regularly adding fresh content to your site. Here's how to create one. Use a simple tool like Google Calendar, Trello, or even Excel to list out your future blog post ideas. Set a target for how many posts you'll publish each week or month. For instance, 2 to 3 posts per week is a solid goal when starting out. Research upcoming holidays and events for timely gift-related posts. For example, around Christmas, focus on holiday gifts. For Mother's Day, create posts about gift ideas for moms. By planning ahead, you ensure that you never run out of content ideas and stay on top of trends. Now, writing several blog posts by yourself a week can be overwhelming. But, with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, you can automate the content creation process, like we just did with our first blog post. You can make 1 month of content in a day, and schedule it to be auto-published throughout the month. Promoting your blog post using Pinterest. Your blog post is now live, and while our primary focus is driving traffic through SEO to rank on Google, there's a powerful platform you can leverage to instantly boost traffic and affiliate sales: Pinterest. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to create a Pinterest business account. This is important because it gives you access to analytics and allows you to promote pins down the road if you want to invest in ads. Next, let's create a beautiful pin that grabs attention. Head over to Canva and design a vertical pin. 1000 by 1500 pixels works best. You can add your blog title, a catchy image, and a call to action like, "Click for the best gift ideas." Once your pin design is ready, go to Pinterest and click Create Pin. Here, upload your pin image, and in the description section, write a brief overview of your blog post with relevant keywords like gift ideas, holiday gifts, or whatever your niche focuses on. Most importantly, don't forget to add the URL of your blog post in the link section. This will drive people straight to your blog when they click on your pin. Finally, add your pin to relevant boards in your niche. Create boards like gift ideas, holiday gifts, or whatever matches your blog's theme. You can also join group boards to reach an even bigger audience. That's it. Now you have your blog post actively being promoted on Pinterest, which can bring in additional traffic and sales. This is a powerful way to increase visibility and give your blog an early traffic boost while waiting for SEO to work its magic. Now that your blog is set up and you've posted your first article, there's one thing I can't stress enough: consistency. Whether you're aiming for success with affiliate sales, traffic growth, or ranking on Google, posting regularly is the secret sauce to achieving long-term success. Growth is slow at first, but it compounds. At the beginning, it may feel like you're posting into the void. Traffic might be slow, and it can be tempting to give up. But remember, the hardest part is going from 0 to 100 visitors or 0 to 100 subscribers. After that, things start to snowball. One successful post can lift all of your other content. Post on a schedule. To make this happen, set up a realistic posting schedule. Aim for at least one new blog post every week or bi-weekly, depending on your availability. This keeps your content fresh and signals to search engines that your site is active. Repurpose and update old content, and don't forget, you can always go back and update your old posts as new products, trends, or seasons come around. Repurposing your content into Pinterest posts, social media updates, or even new articles keeps your site growing without needing to reinvent the wheel. Results don't happen overnight. The key here is patience and persistence. Don't expect massive traffic or income overnight, but rest assured that consistent effort compounds over time. Keep posting, optimizing, and promoting your content, and soon, you'll start seeing the rewards. The journey might seem slow at first, but every post you create builds on the last. Consistency, along with using the AI tools we've discussed, will help you reach your blogging goals, whether that's affiliate income, increased traffic, or becoming an authority in your niche. And that's it. You now have the blueprint to build a successful affiliate marketing blog using AI tools, and even promote it on platforms like Pinterest. Remember, the key to making this work is consistency, patience, and constantly refining your content strategy. Don't forget, all the prompts, tools, and step-by-step guides we discussed in this video are available for you in the Google Doc link provided in the description below. So go ahead, dive in, and start building your income stream. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI-driven money-making strategies, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.